everyone and welcome back to NavYugKids School Assembly News. Today is 12th June 2026 and here are the top headlines for the day. Let's begin with the national news.
National news. A historic milestone will be achieved today as the first batch of women cadets from the NDA is set to be commissioned into the Indian Armed Forces. The first fully Made-in-India Airbus C295 transport aircraft has successfully completed its maiden test flight. This is a major milestone for India's aerospace and defense sector.
International news. The 2026 FIFA World Cup has begun across the United States, Mexico and Canada, bringing together football fans from around the world. Today, the World Day Against Child Labour is being observed worldwide. The day promotes child rights, education and a safe childhood for every child.
Karnataka state news. Heavy rains continue in parts of Karnataka affecting Mangaluru, Udupi, Dharwad and Karwar. Authorities have advised the people to remain cautious and follow safety guidelines during the monsoon season.
Sports news. The ICC Women's T20 World Cup 2026 will begin today in England and Wales. This is the largest Women's T20 World Cup ever, featuring 12 teams and 33 matches.
Thought of the day. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Nelson Mandela. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Jai Hind.